Hello, my name's David Warren. Welcome to Southern Swan and Sydney Harbour, the most amazing harbour in the world. 2 hours on the harbour, and our goal is to make it the most memorable 2 hours you could ever have in Sydney. We'll have a buffet lunch, king prawns, chicken. It's an Aussie barbecue style lunch. Come and have some fun on the harbour with us. Come and experience what the Tall Ship has to offer. Authentic, it's real. We have the time of our lives, and I think you will too. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you on Sydney Harbour Tall Ship, Southern Swan, as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you.
I think it's a very good experience sailing Sydney Harbour. The views are fantastic. The catering was superb. I'd do it again.
Absolutely fantastic. It's one of the better ones we've had, and my son and his daughter and his wife usually give us a cruise every Christmas, and this would be one of the best.
I have had a good time, David. Yeah, it's been a perfect day. The weather's been perfect for sailing around the harbour. And even though I lived in Sydney for my whole life, I've never really done much of this. Should have done it more, so I've really enjoyed it.